Hit that red subscribe button along with the bell icon so you will get notification each time a new video goes live on my channel.
Disclaimer: all the videos have been carefully viewed, examined and approved by the CAT.
How to stay safe on roads, especially on the signal and on the highway. Hey guys, good evening. Sorry I'm shooting this video quite late. I thought I would be recording in the afternoon or in the morning, but काम में फंस गया था यार थोड़ा. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So shit happens. I was just casually roaming and I saw this incident and I thought कि यार अगर उस कार की जगह मैं होता तो मेरा तो कचुम्बर निकल गया होता ना यार, ठीक है, या फिर कोई भी बाइक वाला होता. The roads are the very dangerous place, especially for the riders and the two-wheeler motorcycle riders. And if you are owning a car, you are probably safe, but you are also not safe because there are a lot of other big vehicles. So I thought why not make a video and share some tips with you guys to stay safe. And थोड़ा बहुत यार लो लाइट टेस्टिंग भी हो जाएगा कैमरा का. And so the first point is think as every car or every big vehicle is aiming at you to hit you. You know, I know it sounds rubbish, but you will be prepared that way, because if you think that car was going to hit me or the car behind me is going to hit me, you will probably take some measure to prevent it, you know. Whoa. Yeah, so coming back, and that way you can prevent yourself, you know. So the point number 2, be alert of your surrounding. Keep your eyes open, ears open, head open, because I see lot of people, especially the girls, using headphones while riding, and most of the guys also do that, and that's not a good thing for you and for the others also, because that way you are not aware of the surrounding. If someone is honking horn or someone is trying to come from your behind, so you won't be noticing him or her, whoever is riding. So that way your life is in somewhat danger, you know. So be alert guys, and especially on the small road where there are a lot of children and animals who can come one of a sudden and you won't be noticing them. So there is a quite a bit of risk, and yeah, that's it for the point number 2. So come on, खुल जा भाई. Point number 3 is use your horn or exhaust. You know, this is the best tip I can give according to me. Let them know you are there, you exist. See, like this, when there are small roads or dividers, people tend to just come one of a sudden without see that rash driving, and see this guy. So use your horn, or if you got any sports bike or good bike, just save it and let them know that you are behind, so that they won't be turning one of a sudden, because people in India don't know how to use indicator, so they will be taking sharp turns without your without noticing you. Phew. India, life is very risky in India. So the point number 4 is क्या था भाई, मैंने लिस्ट बनाई थी. Point number 4, come on man, recall.
A few moments later.
So point number 4, finally I recalled it. Again I forgot. So yeah, point number 4. Let them pass. If someone is behind you and he is honking you continuously and or making some raves or driving very rashly, take your little ass out of his way. Take your bike on the other lane and just let them pass. So that way you will be safe, because काहे को उनके सामने आना बाबा, है ना, बाजू हो जाने का. And the 5th point is I guess it's 5th, yeah. So the 5th point is stay visible. This tip is very important when you are riding on the highways at night time or even in the daytime. You should be visible to other bikes or cars. You know, if you are wearing everything black, like your helmet is black, your jacket is black, probably the bike or the truck person is not going to notice you. So you have to be visible on the highway. So for that you can use high-vis gear, like high-vis helmet, high-vis jacket, or you can just buy a cheap quality construction jacket which is reflective, or you can buy hazard light for your bike, so that will probably help you in the night times. So these are the 5 tips, guys, because in India life is very risky on road. People drive like mads. They think they are playing a video game, road rash, you know, and that's not good for us, especially for the bike riders. Oh, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. So you have to be safe, and I wish you will be safe by following these safety tips, and do share this video with other friends, so that they can also be safe and you can enjoy riding with them for a long time. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and do consider subscribing to my channel if you are new here, so you know that keeps me motivated to make a new video for you guys. So stay tuned, bye bye, peace out.